Lesson 5A, Story Time. Lesson 5B, Values. Characters. Characters. It's Alice. It's Alice. It's Queen of Heart. It's Queen of Heart. It's Mad Hatter. It's Mad Hatter. It's White Rabbit. It's White Rabbit. It's Dormouse. It's Dormouse. Let's learn more. I keep trying. I keep trying. I don't keep trying. I don't keep trying. Blocks, blocks. Puzzle, puzzle. Drawing, drawing. Let's practice. I keep trying with my blocks. I keep trying with my blocks. I keep trying with my puzzle. I keep trying with my puzzle. I keep trying with my drawing. I keep trying with my drawing. I can. I can. I can taste a candy. I can taste a candy. I can smell a flower. I can smell a flower. I can hear a bird. I can hear a bird. I can touch a ball. I can touch a ball. I can see a balloon. I can see a balloon.